Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install applications without Apple ID. The first thing I want you to do is going to be open settings right here, and then go to your general tab real quickly in software update, okay? We just want to make sure we have the best version of iOS available on our devices installed. The thing here is you need to make sure it says iOS is up to date right here. It doesn't really matter what kind of version you have. And that being said, go back to the landing page of settings and then look for screen time. Let me see if I can see screen time right here. It's over here, okay? Open it, turn on screen time if you have it off. Turn on screen time right there. This is my iPhone. Okay, just wait for it to finish loading. And then go to content and privacy restrictions. Make sure it's enabled right there. Go to iTunes and app purchases. And as you can see right here, require password. Make sure this is do not require or don't require, okay? Once that's done, go back on the settings over here and look for Face ID. Once you're in Face ID, just input your password really quickly there and make sure iTunes or App Store is toggled off. Okay? Once this is toggled off, you don't have to input your Apple ID anymore before installing applications in the App Store. Okay? So let me just put it back right there on my end right here, making sure everything is good. And then I'm just gonna go back on screen time, turn it off because I'm gonna restore my settings anyway. I'll just do a things I did earlier, and that's how you install applications without Apple ID. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.